Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some simple programming knowledge in different programming languages. Now, if you want to skip to a particular language, you can skip to the times shown on the screen now. But if you want to watch them all, just continue watching the video. So, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your internet browser, and once you've got that open, you want to go to the web address nodejs.org. You then want to download the version from their website and save it to your computer. You'll then want to go to your downloads folder, wherever it's saved, open it up, and just simply install it, just however you'd normally install a program. So now you want to make a new text file, so right click, go to new, click text document, and write the name what you want. So in my case, I'm just calling it hello.js. The JS is of course for JavaScript, or Node.js in this case. You'll then want to right click on this file and click on edit to edit this file. And this is editing in Notepad, but in my case I just prefer to use Notepad++, just because it's better in many ways, which I don't need to explain in this video. So I'm using the console.log function, and I'm going to write in the hello world. And what this will basically do is, to the console, the command window, it will log, so write things, and whatever's in the quotes, so hello world. And that will be what will be said in the console. So if I open up a command window, I can type in the node hello.js, and it says hello world, and it exited the program. So that is how that works. I'm going to exit, and that's the end of that part. Right, so you want to go to your internet browser, and just like before, go to the specific website, so python.org in this case. When it loads, you want to go to the downloads section, so click on that, then download the latest version. Again, save it to your computer. Click install. And then you can close it. And now what you can do is create a new text document and call it what you want. In this case, again, I'm calling it hello, and it's a Python file, so it's .py for this. And you'd right click. You can actually edit it with Python's editor, which looks like this. I'm going to close that though and use a notepad, just because it's simpler in this video. And from within here, the code you put is print, those brackets, and in quotes you'd write hello world, or whatever you want it to say. So it's going to print onto the screen in the console as a function, and that's what those mean. And the quotes are what you'd have your message be. If you open it, you can slightly see it says your message. You would want to open a command window. Your command window will show you, in this case, Python hello.py isn't going to work for me. It might work for you if you have it installed like that, but you generally just want to put the name of it. So that printed the message, hello world, and quit the program. And I've exited the command window, and now I'm on to the next part of the video. So I'm going to, in this one, show you PHP using a different program using XAMPP, which is popular and it includes PHP simply to make it easier for you. So to get that, you just search it on Google, it would be the first result. Then click on the one that you want and click save. This will then save to your computer. And go through the setup, clicking on next for each thing. Accept these alerts. And now you'll be running a PHP server on your computer, which is also being hosted as a web server. In this case, you'll be using Apache to host the PHP. You can see here that it says stop and it's green, so that means it is started. This would be installed to your C drive, the XAMPP folder, and your website, your PHP files will be in this folder there. There's already some files in this folder which you can delete if you don't want them, so just delete them like that. And make a new file, and this time you'll call it hello as your file name, ending in .php. And with this one, edit that with Notepad as always. So to start this, you put bracket, question mark, PHP. That's the start of every PHP code. End it with another question mark and bracket, and you can write your code in the middle. So echo would put stuff on the screen. In this case I'm gonna put hello world, and I'm putting a semicolon just so it knows that that's the end of what I'm saying. I can now minimize them and open my internet to see the result. In this case you can use localhost to get this current machine. And that's the file, and when you click it, you see it just says what you put, hello world. I'm going to close these now. And I'm going to move to the next one. Since I've already got Visual Studio on my computer and it takes a while to install, I'm going to show you this one. But basically, you just search for Visual Studio online, and you'd want the Community Edition because it's free and it's good if you're learning. So you want to create a new project. In my case, I will do a C# Windows project, a console because it's easier, and you'd want the .NET framework. In my case, I'm going to rename this from Console App 1 to Hello World. I'm safe to put it in here because I am, and I'm going to let it create it. Here's what I've got created. So there's a namespace, a class, and then there is your program. so inside of the main. So what you'd put in there for hello world would be console dot white line, because you want a line, not it to finish where it ended. And you'd write hello world, and you're going to end it with a semicolon so it knows that you're finished with that line. Not every single programming language does this, but C# does. So then you can click on build solution, starts to build, and it's built it. Now if I was to open this folder where it saved it, it would be under the bin folder, the debug folder, and there it is. In this case, it really quickly opens and closes. To quickly show you in this thing, I'm going to type hello world.exe. Okay, and that comes up with hello world and closes itself. And that is how you code in C#. Now, Visual Basic VB.NET is pretty similar to C# in some ways. So in this one you would need to get Visual Studio again. So I'm going to create a new project, and I am going to create a project in Visual Basic. Windows Console again. I'm gonna do a framework. Okay, so call this Hello World. I can do that because I've already deleted the C# project. I can see this is already a bit simpler. So there is a module called module 1, and there's a main main function. So I'm going to write in there console.whiteLine hello world, and unlike the C#, I don't want to put a thing on the end, a semicolon, and if I'd start it, it will build and it will close itself straight away. If I go to the folder, open up a command prompt to show you, it says hello world and it closes. And that can now be done with. On to the next one. Okay, so VBS is actually already built into your Windows installation. So you should be able to create a new text document, call it hello.vbs, and you should have a blue icon. You can edit this with your notepad of choice. I will put message box hello world in quotes, and I should be able to on this file, and it shows a message box. And just because we have a bit of time, if I put it in 5 times, I'll get 5 message boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how easy that programming language is to use. And this programming language, Lua, you can actually test it online straight up at lua.org/demo.html. So I will write in here point to the screen, in quotes, hello world. I will run this program, and that is my output, hello world. And that is that language. So that was all I needed to show you in this video. If you'd like me to make more videos specifically on specific languages, maybe explaining the basics, how they work a bit more, and all of that, please leave a comment, and otherwise that's basically all I need to say. So thank you for watching this video, please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you'd like to possibly see more of these types of videos or other things, please consider subscribing, as that will help make sure that I know that you like to see these videos. Thank you.